So we're back working on this Volkswagen Rabbit, and the wiring under the passenger seat doesn't match this electrical diagram. I've looked at electrical diagrams from 2008 to 2011 and various arrangements. Now this J706 computer, which is the passenger seat occupied control module, is apparently in the seat, and it shows this T10E connector pin 1 as the power wire. I do not have a black-green wire. I have a very light gauge black-blue wire. I have a brown wire and I have a purple wire. Now it shows 3 wires in that T10E, pin 3, pin 8, and pin 1. And there is a 1 on my connector, but it appears to be brown. And usually brown on Volkswagens is ground. And I used a test light to confirm that when I power up a test light with another external circuit, it lights up on the brown wire. So that kind of proves the ground wire. Pin 75 is supposed to be a LIN bus wire. GEGR. Let's see what the legend says. GE is yellow and GR is gray. I don't have a yellow-gray wire. And the other one is RO, which I believe is red. I don't have a red wire. My colors do not match this connector. Now these wires may be internal in the actual seat because there's a pressure sensor, G453. Where is it? G4 seat occupied pressure sensor. That's in the seat. And G452, which is another pressure sensor. So these wires are all inside. So this may be the case. So if I got ground on one wire, I should have power on one of the other wires. I was asking AI last night to give me a pinout for this T10E, and I couldn't find anything. There's no hyperlinks to pinouts in the service information. I tried all data, it didn't have anything either. Let's have a look at the connector. So according to this diagram, pin 1 is supposed to be black and green, pin 8 is supposed to be yellow and gray, and pin 3 is supposed to be red. I've got a black and blue, a brown, and a purple and blue. Now I don't think it changes color after the connector and the floor. Let me see if it's coming up. No, it's the same color as in the floor. Now it does change size. One is 0.35 millimeters and the other 2 wires are 0.5 millimeters. The 0.35 millimeter wire, I can't see it barely, but it's the power wire coming from fuse SC4. So that would mean theoretically that one's supposed to be power. Now I put a voltmeter on these wires with the key. I got the key on now. And I've got absolutely no voltage whatsoever on any one of the wires. Not even a trace voltage. I even checked it in the connector here. I do have a ground on the brown wire. It lights a test light. So either this small wire, this black and blue, is power from the fuse, or this purple. Now I would think logically that they would use the small wire for the LIN bus, but who knows? But one of these has to be power, and I have no power at this seat, so just got to figure out which one it is. I don't want to just arbitrarily put power to the wrong circuit, because that could damage something. The brown, and if you look at this connector, very, very difficult to see, but there is a 1 in this corner. There's no other numbers. So if that's 1, that's the ground. And that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got a wire in 1, 2, and 6. There's no other numbers on this side. I can't get a connector view of this connector. There's no number stamped on the bottom of this or on the top of this. Oh wait, there is. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this, they're actually printed on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. So I got wires in 5, 6, and 10. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 10. That doesn't correspond with the wiring diagram. The wiring diagram says 1, 8, and 3. And I asked AI last night for a pinout of this connector, and it told me the wires were in 5, 6, and 7. But I'm pretty sure this brown wire is ground, and I'm pretty sure this purple wire is supposed to be power. I'm going to try some stuff here. So I stole power from the satellite radio to feed power to the purple wire. And I got no activity on the LIN bus wire. The codes don't clear. I got 0.09 volts on the LIN bus wire. I'm assuming that's the LIN bus wire. And I've got 12.9 volts on the purple wire. So that theoretically tells me that the module has failed. There's a problem. One of these wires has to be power, and I'm certain that it's that purple wire. And I talked with the dealer yesterday that seat module is discontinued. Imagine that. It's serviced with replacing the entire seat cushion assembly. And yeah. So I don't think we're going to be able to fix this car, unfortunately. What a fiasco. Well, this has been a very frustrating adventure. I probably have 8 hours into this thing. How do you charge for this? I spent $350 on a module that didn't fix it. Well, it fixed the module internal error code, but then it enabled the scanning of the passenger seat presence system, and that's got an issue. Parts are obsolete. Customer can try and find a used right front seat assembly, but there's no power to that T10E connector. I'm pretty sure that purple wire is supposed to be power from fuse SC4. We did fix a short in the heated windshield washer nozzle at the right hood hinge, and that's fixed his backup lights, but that's the least of his concerns because he's not going to be able to get a safety inspection with the airbag warning light on. See, it goes through a self-check, goes off, and then comes back on, and that's an automatic failure. And there's no workaround. I've searched high and low through forums because lots of guys put different seats in these vehicles and they run into this kind of problem, and they want to know if there's a way to code it out, and there isn't. Not that I could find anyways. So let me know what you think. This is, if you watched the entire series, I commend you because it's pretty dry. Thanks for watching.